Alright guys, welcome back. So we are here at the MGM checking out another room, 22424. So this room here is the Grand Tower strip view room here at the MGM. So here is the map, and here's kind of the center. We are right over here towards the end. But anyway, I figured I'd do a room review of this. Now, just to forewarn you, the last room review that I did of the Executive King Suite, this isn't as nice, but it has a much better view than what that other room did. So right on the right hand side here is going to be your bathroom. Has a single vanity, but it is rather large. I do like the in-light mirror that they have. That is pretty sweet and very bright. They have an assortment of towels, hair dryer, extra toilet paper and stuff like that, more towels. The commode's kind of hidden over here in the corner. They have a nice kind of a flowery picture. And here in the bathroom has kind of that same marble background to the bathtub that the other one did in the Executive King Suite. Very similar in design anyway, which is very similar to the staywell rooms as well. So if you guys get one of those, you'll have to check it out. Shower head on this is pretty cool. Water pressure isn't as great as I would imagined. Also, the shower doesn't quite get as hot as I would like, but to each their own. I guess everybody has their own different preferences on how they like their bathroom setup anyway. This has a door to an adjoining room, but the executive suites are down lower level. So here is the closet. Have spot for an iron and ironing board, but none provided, which is kind of odd to tell you the truth. Would have been nice to have if you had nice clothes that you wanted to iron out after traveling. And over to the right is the bedroom type area. It's kind of weird how it's got mirrors all on the back part. And then it also has this giant full-length mirror over here too. So if you want to see what you look like before you go out for the evening, you definitely can do that there. And I'll show you the rest here. So they have this kind of odd painting. I don't know, it just struck me as odd the first time I looked at it, but the countertops are really nice. Glass in really good shape, no scratches. Drawers all come out pretty easily. The safe is not in the closet on this one, which is definitely a benefit, but not really, and I'll kind of show you what I mean. They have your ice bucket, ice grabbers, and then your cups, actual glass, which is odd because in the Executive King Suite, they gave you plastic cups, and I have real glass in this room, which is odd. So they have plug-in HDMI, VGA, S-Video, the old school 3-port plug-ins here. Then they have a bunch of drawers that all pull out really well. Samsung flat screen TV. Then they have an assortment of snacks. Travel kit, they have cookies, smart water Pringles, and then this travel kit has like a bunch of different charging ports if you guys are interested in that. I forgot to bring a charger, I should say. They have the mini fridge fully stocked, so if you want anything, $50 for the restocking fee plus anything that's in that fridge. So if you want to buy anything, you certainly may. They do have that little mini fridge that is available. Here's another kind of odd picture as well. Here's a little workstation that I have set up for you guys. Can't really show too much because I have videos that aren't posted yet that are locked away that you guys can't see yet, but I will be unlocking those and publishing those for you all to see here shortly. Then over here they have this nice little seating area. Has 2 little chairs, nice little end table and stuff like that. Everything seems to be in pretty good quality in this room, except for this vent thing. There's some paint chips and stuff from there, but not really that big of a deal. nothing to complain about. I mean, the room was free, so nothing to bitch about or anything like that, but this nice little seating area is kind of cool. Then they have the safe. It's kind of hidden, which is kind of new and unique. I thought it was kind of cool. It's the same in the executive suite here. So right over to the bed on either one of the end tables, one of them will open up on the bottom one, and then lo and behold, your safe will be in here. So you can check that out. They got a pretty decent safe, I guess. It's the same as the wall safe, but it's a little bit deeper, so I kind of do like those, but kind of just leave that for now. But the one thing that I love the most about this room, and probably everybody else would have to agree with me on this, is the view. So let me open this up. And for you guys, I'll get a nice nighttime lapse or something like that for you guys, so you guys can see that as well. But give me 2 seconds here. So you got all of Las Vegas Boulevard out here. So right across the way, you have the Hilton Grand Vacations is this top blue one right over here. And then over directly where my finger is at, that's the Polo Towers. Planet Hollywood's right there. And directly across in this background right here, that's Paris. Up over here, right here, you can see the peaks of Caesar's Palace. Bellagio, this big tower right here, is the Cosmo. Those two towers actually are the Cosmo. These two towers are luxury condos right here, so those yellow buildings, those are all luxury condos and stuff like that. This big kind of clear one is the Waldorf Astoria, and right over here is the Aria Tower, and kind of poking out in the background over to the right here of my finger is the other Aria Tower. The old Monte Carlo, now redone and is called the Park MGM, is right there. That big billboard sign that I talked about in the strip walk video is right there. But that's why I want to get a view of this at night, because it's got all the billboards that you can see that have lights and stuff that go off, so it'll be pretty cool to see at night. But anyway, this is the room from this room. But I hope you all enjoy this video. If you guys do, be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, but show your support by sharing this video with your friends and family. If you guys have any comments for any videos that you want to see done, be sure to comment that down in the comment section, guys. But as always, my name is Ryan. Until next time.